Welcome, welcome. Yeah, just come to touch on something we see on social media and a little bit disturbed, yeah, by the whole thing. Cause for certain platform I may hear cussing a go on. I don't stop to listen, as I say, my whole made straight sometime I carry on but me see one thing I go on when me see somewhere else and me need to talk about this because it upset me to the core, yeah. The young lady, the latest verses, as you see me thumbnail, near me. It's not a nickname, it's just me use that, so I don't want to call nobody name over here, so yeah. So me say near me, yeah. Because sometimes when you put up them picture and them name, them feel so them important and then bringing your views and likes and all these things. So sometimes I avoid putting up names of certain people because we like the views and we like the likes. Yeah, people like it, but we're not desperate for it. You know what I mean? We're not desperate over here. So if it come, it come. If it not come, it not come. So we do it. Yeah, we not depend upon social media for pay with bills. So yeah. So anyway, because me say no. Me hear the person cussing out the young lady and talking about her underneath and all that. She went deep up under her and I thought, this is sick, it's despicable, disgusting, yeah. I couldn't believe what I'm hearing. I know this young girl, young lady I'd call her, I'm not sure how old she is, but she looks fairly young. She is old enough for Marcia's daughter, maybe granddaughter, I don't know her age, she look young anyway. And you're gonna tell me, say you're gonna dip up under her like that and talk about her like that. You couldn't address the situation in a different manner, and that means gonna say, yeah. You could have addressed it in a different way, yeah. And it's not acceptable. Yeah, your behavior is not acceptable. And the reason why I'm talking about it, I was scrolling past and me see Marcia channel. I didn't stop and listen, but she got the caption go and suck, and she had one mango in her eye, and I'm thinking to myself, really? And that's when I thought, how disgusting. You even put your caption about suck, and I was thinking, mighty God, these people don't respect nobody and they don't respect themselves. And I said, this young lady, yeah, she will dissect and critique videos, yes. She will say things, like me here, defend and say that the lady is bad mind. And we all say that because of the behavior of that individual. People will say, because whatever they put out there, we're coming out and we're talking about it on our platform. So I don't understand why this person think they have the right to come and class up somebody, a young person as well, and dip up under her like that. No, we're gonna call these things out. We don't want to think so we're being one-sided, and I don't see all the one-sided coming, because we're just repeating what we're saying, and what we're doing and saying is not acceptable here. We can't talk anything positive unless we see something positive. We see positive things going on, then we can talk about the positive things. But it's always negative, always BBC, RC, tablecloth, all kind of cloth, yeah. And but it wasn't even just BC, RC, it was more than that. And that's what I'm saying. It's terrible. Anyway, found man don't talk.